This is Simo Sangoju. In our last video for 10th class, you learnt the operations on sets like union, intersection and difference, and also disjoint sets. All these things you learnt in your last video. But in this video, you are going to learn how to represent the sets operations by using Venn diagrams. Okay, Venn diagrams, that is an important topic in sets. So the mathematician John Venn developed these diagrams. So on his name, those are called Venn diagrams. Okay, now the first operation, union. How to represent a union by using Venn diagrams. Let us take two sets. A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how can we represent union of these two sets by using Venn diagrams. Now what is A union B here? A union B answer you can write here. The elements combinedly you have to write all the elements, and if there are repeated elements you need not to write elements, should write only once. Okay, now what is A union B? A union B becomes here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we represent this set by using Venn diagrams. So first you draw a rectangle shape, because this is universal set mu, and in this sets you have two sets overlapping sets. You have to draw overlap. Overlap means here one on the other, like this. Now this is set A, this is set B. In the set A, what are the elements? 1, 2, 3. Common elements you should write in this common place 4, 5, and remaining elements you should write in the next the other place. Okay, so in set A there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. In set B 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. Common elements must be written between this gap or common place. Okay, this is A union B, and if you want to shade, you have to shade horizontal lines or vertical lines. Whatever lines you have to take, but you should draw same lines in A, set A and set B, that is union. Okay, they represent same design or same lines, then only it is known as A union B. Right, it is A union B. We can write in this way. Okay, now shall take A intersection B. We have to write intersection. How to write intersection? Okay, now how to write intersection of sets by using Venn diagrams. So for the same sets, intersections, this is mu and this is set A and this is set B. 1, 2, 3 and there is a common elements 4, 5 and the remaining elements 6, 7. What is here intersection? Intersection means here common elements in both of the sets. What are the common elements in these both of the two sets? That is 4 and 5. So you shade only this part. You shade only intersection and common part, that is intersection. So it is denoted by A intersection B. Okay, right? This is the intersection of sets by using Venn diagrams. Now, how to find the difference of the sets? Minus. Okay, so A is a set of say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Now, how to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is a set of 4, 5, 6, 7. difference of the sets by using Venn diagrams. Okay. So first you have to find A minus B without Venn diagrams. What is the answer you will get? So common elements will be cut and remaining elements in A you should write, that is A minus B. Okay, same. How can we represent the difference of the sets by using Venn diagrams? Let us see. Okay, this is set A, this is set B, and a rectangle set is denoted by mu. A minus B means here you have to write the elements only in A. Means you have to shade in only A. That is 1, 2, 3. Common elements you do not write, and elements in B also you don't write. Only you write only A. These elements are only A. So you also shade only A part. Don't shade the common part. This is denoted by A minus B. But what is A minus B here? Only A part should be shaded. The remaining part don't shade. That is A minus B. That is the difference of two sets. Okay. And B minus A. How can we write here B minus A? Just you can imagine that only B part should be shaded. B minus A. Same A, B you write here only shading in B set. Okay. What are the elements in only B? That is 4, 5 are common, you don't write here. The remaining elements are 6 and 7. So this is B minus A. B minus A means here B only B is shaded. In A minus B only A is shaded. So these are the Venn diagrams of difference of sets. Means A minus B or B minus A. Okay. Now one more Venn diagram we have to represent here. That is how to represent the disjoint sets. Disjoint sets in Venn diagrams. Okay. Disjoint sets means here already you have learned that disjoint sets means there are no common elements for those two sets. Then only they are called disjoint sets. Means their intersection must be 0. So that is pi. So those are known as disjoint sets. Now how can we represent the disjoint sets? How can we represent the disjoint sets? A is a set and B is another set. For example, in this 1, 2, 3, in this 4, 5, 6. These two sets do not have any common elements. So you don't write overlapping. Don't draw overlapping circles. Here separate circles. These are disjoint sets. They do not have any common element. So the rectangle set is mu. So these are disjoint sets. If there are no common elements, if they are disjoint sets, you represent the Venn diagrams in this way. Okay, right. Now, how to represent a subset by using Venn diagram? How to represent subset? For example, A is a subset of B. Means the elements, all elements in A are also representing B. Then only A is known as subset of B. Now how can we represent this subset by using Venn diagrams? So here in these two sets, which is the biggest set? B is the biggest because all elements of A are present in B. So B is the biggest. So you write first set is B. And A is a subset. So you write A inside the B. Then it is A is subset of B. That is subset figure or Venn diagram. Means, for example, in set A there are elements 1, 2, 3. In set B there are elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now how can we represent in set A 1, 2, 3 and in set B 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B here total representation means all the elements will come in set B. So what are the elements in set B? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements in set B. And what are the elements in set A? 1, 2, 3, 1. So in this way you have to represent the subset by using Venn diagrams. Okay, right? My dear children, in this class you have learnt representing sets by using Venn diagrams, the operations union, intersection and also difference and subset. Okay, by using this topic or this knowledge, you have to do the homework which is given at the end of this video. Okay, right? We shall take one more concept in our next class. Please subscribe the channel and